The committees, and some of those are testing Florida's current gun laws. These are hot-button issues stemming from recent cases involving the controversial Stand Your Ground. Channel 4's Ashley Harding spoke to two local attorneys who plan to be in Tallahassee as these bills move forward. Ashley.
Yes, Adrian, I spoke with Eric Friday from Florida Carry, plus John Phillips, who, as you may remember, worked closely with Jordan Davis's family. They have differing views on Stand Your Ground, but they're very interested to see what comes up in this upcoming session. Florida lawmakers are getting ready for a new legislative session to begin, where they'll hear bills aimed to change Florida gun laws. With the Jordan Davis and Trayvon Martin cases in mind, Stand Your Ground is under the microscope.
Stand Your Ground is fine the way it is.
Eric Friday is lead counsel for Florida Carry and says the problem is not with the Stand Your Ground law. He says some are failing to recognize it and what it does.
Some law enforcement officers don't like the idea of self-defense and will do everything they can to hold responsible a citizen who was attacked by a violent criminal.
Jacksonville attorney John Phillips disagrees. He says he's not sure how Stand Your Ground could be changed, but does point to the previous law in Florida, which said a person who could safely turn back should.
It's not saying that every rape victim or every potential, victim of violence must retreat. It's saying if you can get out of there consistent with your own safety, you need to do so.
Another bill lawmakers will look at is the so-called warning shot bill. If passed, it would give a defendant a legal defense if they were found by the court to have fired a warning shot. Some say it was inspired by the Marissa Alexander case, who was sentenced to 20 years behind bars after shooting a gun in the direction of her estranged husband back in 2012.
It's needed to make clear that people who in the traumatic moment of their lives feel the need to fire a warning shot because they don't want to take a life shouldn't be treated as if they tried to take a life.
John Phillips tells me Jordan Davis's parents will be in Tallahassee to discuss some ideas on possibly tweaking Stand Your Ground. Plus, Eric Friday tells me that the warning shot bill will go before the Senate tomorrow. We're live tonight. I'm Ashley Harding, Channel 4, the local station.
All right, Ashley.